If OneNote is showing error 0x70 and freezing up, the issue is often caused by your local drive being full and OneNote not being able to write to its temporary cache folder. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix so you can clear out unnecessary files, reset OneNote's cache, and get the app working again. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, we need to free up some space on your computer. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type clean mgr, then click OK. This opens the Windows Disk Cleanup tool. Next, choose your main drive, which is usually the C drive, and click OK. Windows will scan the drive and show you a list of file types you can safely remove. Now check the boxes for temporary files, recycle bin, and temporary internet files. These are common storage clutter items that can take up space without you realizing it. Once those boxes are selected, click OK, and then click Delete Files to confirm. Windows will start wiping out the selected junk files and free up space on your drive. This step is important because if your drive is too full, OneNote may not be able to save temporary data, which can trigger error 0x70 and cause the app to lock up. After that cleanup is complete, fully close OneNote if it is still open. Make sure it is not running in the background. Then press the Windows key and R again. This time, paste this path into the run box. %localapp datasent plus Microsoft plus OneNote. Press enter to open the OneNote data folder. Inside that folder, open your current version folder. In most cases, that will be the 16.0 folder. Once you're inside, look for a folder named Cache. This folder stores temporary OneNote data, and if it becomes corrupted or overloaded, it can cause syncing and loading problems. Delete the cache folder. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Don't worry, OneNote will recreate a fresh cache the next time it launches. Removing the old cache can often clear up the error and restore normal performance. Now reopen OneNote and check whether the problem is gone. In many cases, these two steps, clearing junk files and removing the OneNote cache, are enough to fix error 0x70. If OneNote opens normally again, you're all set. If you want more quick fixes like this, make sure to subscribe because I post simple step-by-step tutorials that save you time and frustration. And if this video solved the issue, please give it a like so it can help more people dealing with the same OneNote error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.